all done. I got that outer and that outer completely replaced. Those are the old track belt on the right and the old track belts here on the left. And now I'm going to show you the lacing tool. Bought it on Amazon for 30 bucks. This is the drill. It's a 3/8 power punch. It's a Flexco HP1 power punch, which looks like that. And then you put it into a 1/2-inch deep socket into a impact driver, and then squirt WD-40 on the belt at every hole in your template, and brrr, goes right through like butter. This is also a Flexco product. This is the lacing brackets. So that's made by Flexco also. And that's what holds the end of the straps together, that clamps together. So that was it. You can buy this stuff on Amazon.